So, Stefano Milanese, what is your project all about?
This project is about exploiting high altitude wind, and is a new technology that envisaged to capture the high wind at very high altitude, about 800 meters height, with a kite. So a normal kite that is now used for kite surfing at the moment. The kite is connected to the machine which is on the ground by two cables, very thin cables of a special material, very light. And this technology is very innovative because it can generate electricity at costs which are comparable to the fossil fuels, even lower if we have big plants. So much more convenient than normal aeolic wind. So this is the project, more or less. This application is a special application for a naval sector. We installed the machine on a boat, on a big boat, which is a 12 tons weight, so quite a heavy boat, and we were able to achieve a speed of 3.2 knots with a wind. 3 knots, yes. The average speed which was achieved with this experimental simulation that we made in the sea was at in this more or less 500 meters we reached, yes, yeah. And the wind speed was very limited, so what was about 6.5 knots on average. So this boat was moved, 12 tons boat, at the average speed of 3.2 knots, with a wind speed of only 6.5 knots. So very light wind.
Why 800 meters?
Because the basic concept is to try and capture the high wind, which is more constant and more strong than the wind at the ground. So there is much more power if you go at 100 meters of height.
Can you show us how it works?
Yes, of course. Yes. So this is the concept. This is our what we call the yo-yo configuration. It means that we have motors, which works also as generators. This one. And then we have we have these cables. Here we have enrolled about 800 meters cables. Okay. So the cables are then connected to the kite, which is over there. Okay. That kite is 16 square meters, so very small kite. And the concept is the energy is generated by unrolling all the cables. So the kite will pull the cables at 800 meters. So and the cables will be unrolled from this machine and will generate circular movement, and the generator will generate the electricity, which now at the moment is stored in batteries, normal batteries.
It's working to capture electricity. It is really worth it, or the wind is enough to propel the boat? So I have no idea why capture electricity.
So this is the original concept for electricity generation, not on a boat but on shore, let's say, on the ground. And then on the boat you can either pull the boat, so this is what we experimented, or you can generate electricity for onboard uses. For example, if you have electric motors on the boat, you can eventually generate electricity to fuel the electric motors.
I have no idea. said that you use electricity, but is it enough, or is it just an extend range system?
Well, it is with this kite, the power generated depends on the surface, the area of the kite. Okay, so with such a kite, which is very limited, 16 square meter, you can contribute to the power of a boat. Okay, so you can save about 20 to 25% of diesel combustible that is used for long transfer on the shipping, propeller ship. The other situation is if we have a higher area, bigger area of the kite, then you can achieve the same speed, for example, for the boat, which is pushed by normal motors. So if we had 200 square meter of a kite, we can achieve the same 30 knots on this boat, with about 20 knots of wind speed.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, thank you.